How will you feel if ChatGPT can be a doctor for you? How will you feel if ChatGPT can be a physician for you? How will you feel if ChatGPT can be a dermatologist for you? Now, let me tell you why I'm asking such questions because, as you read the title of this video, how I ended up saving 1000 rupees with the help of ChatGPT. So, the very same experience I'm going to share in today's video, in Sunday special video. So, welcome to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. You will get a lot of value when it comes to AI and prompt engineering from my channel. So let me get back to the topic. And so what I did is I use ChatGPT basically for medical purposes, for healthcare. How I used it and how I ended up saving 1000 rupees. Okay, so this basically happened day yesterday only. I was asking a prompt to ChatGPT. I gave it a prompt because my 10 months old little one was suffering from rashes, she was having fungal infection. So I asked ChatGPT, please be a highly reputed dermatologist for me with 30 years of professional experience. So I gave this prompt to ChatGPT, and so what I will do is I will copy paste the prompt in the description so that it gets easier for you as well. So I gave this prompt, and ChatGPT was like, sure, I can help you with your skin problems today. So it was like, how I can help you with your skin problems. So then I explained it the whole thing, like my 10 months old little one is suffering from fungal infection, from this skin problem. So what steps I should take, and can you suggest me some ointment for it or some treatment for it? So it gave me all the precautions, all the necessary steps I should take. So what it did is it recommended me two ointments, and so one is clotrimazole and another one is miconazole. So it recommended me these two ointments, and it gave me some other precautions which I should take in this case. And it also recommended me please do consult a doctor or a dermatologist before using this ointment. So this is what happened. Because it is an AI model, it is a LLM, so definitely it will try in best ways to help you. So that is the reason it suggested me I should consult a dermatologist. So what I did is I went to the medical store, and I asked the pharmacist over there like uh, do you have either of these two ointments, and which of these two ointments will be better for fungal infection? So he recommended me that miconazole will be better for fungal infection, and I was like, okay. And can I use it for my 10 months old little one? So that is what I asked it, and it recommended me yes, you can use it, and it can be used for all the age groups. So but still, if you don't get the result, then like uh, consult a dermatologist or a skincare doctor. So that is what it recommended me. So because it was an emergency situation, so I had to go from my office to home so that I can like uh, give the ointment for my little one and the wipes. So what happened is when I uh, delivered the ointment and wipes and returned back to my office, so I got to know until the time I reached home that uh, the results, the condition is better now. After applying the ointment, it has healed itself somehow, to an extent, to a certain extent. And if we apply it 2 to 3 times more, it will get completely healed. So that is what happened, and I was surprised, like because the thing over here is like I ended up saving the consulting fees, like the consulting fees which I'm supposed to pay to a dermatologist probably. So I ended up saving probably 700, 800 or 1000 rupees consulting, and probably on the medicine. So this is the certain thing that happened with me, and this is how I leveraged AI for my little one, and this is how I leverage AI regularly in my regular life, in my daily life, and in my professional life as well. So that was about my experience about how I ended up saving 1000 rupees using ChatGPT. You can do that too, and so I keep sharing such tips on my Instagram page. I have started a new Instagram page which is Prompt Alchemy. So I keep sharing the potent prompts over there, like if you want to earn money using ChatGPT. So I keep sharing such prompts over there, and I also share the same prompts on my YouTube Shorts. So I would suggest you that you follow my Instagram page, which is Prompt Alchemy. I will include the link in the description, and you follow this channel as well, because you will definitely get a lot of value. And speaking about ChatGPT and AI, I'm planning something from next month onwards. Like I will be conducting, free masterclass. Uh, you can say it masterclass, you can say it webinar, whatever you want to say. So hardly like it will be like a 1 to 2 hours webinar, which I will be conducting Sunday to Sunday, probably on weekends. I will be conducting, and I will be sharing with you the tips, like the AI tips, the how I use ChatGPT, how I write prompts, how to write prompts effectively, how to leverage AI effectively. So all these things I will be sharing in this webinar, in this masterclass, and so the details of the same I will be sharing probably, because next week I am going on a business trip. So from next Sunday probably, and that entire week I will be busy. So next Sunday it won't be possible, but definitely it will be possible next to next Sunday. So the details I will be sharing with you, and you will get the details and what all things you can expect from this webinar, the value which you can expect from this webinar. And there will be some giveaways as well, like you will get bonuses as well upon attending this webinar. So it will really create value for you, it will really deliver value for you. And if you feel that I am delivering value, and if you are getting value through this video and through my channel, so please share this video in your network, so that others can also get value, others also get to know how I use ChatGPT. And please do like this video to extend your support if you really liked this video how I used ChatGPT. And mention in the comments like what are the challenges you are facing when it comes to using AI, when it comes to using ChatGPT. So please mention it in the comments, so that I can probably make a video on that the next time. So your comments are really valuable, it's really important. And if you have any suggestions for me, you can also mention the same in the comments. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel. And until then, this is Basil signing off.